crispy chicken tenders na naliligo sa dipping sauce. Dati na-enjoy ko lang to sa Manila at ngayon meron na rin dito sa atin. Pinasubok nila sa akin yan although hindi pa ito yung official cups na gagamitin nila. Coming soon pa lang daw at doble nito yung actual size niya. Meron din sila mga combo meals at iba't ibang klase ng drinks. This is Hot Chicks. Dati nagpunta tayo dun sa unang branch nila sa May Santo Domingo. Pero this time meron na silang pangalawang branch sa Balibago halos katabi ng Makimura. Open sila daily from 10 AM to 10 PM. Available din sa GrabFood at Foodpanda. In-order namin yung pinakamalaki nilang set that has 18 chicken tenders, fries, 3 sesame toast at 3 rin ng parang chicken nuggets na merong kasamang 3 side dishes at yung mga sauces nila. Meron din silang single orders at iba pang combo meals at iba't ibang sauces that you can choose from. By the way, tignan nyo itong Balibago store nila. Mas malaki at maaliwalas and soon to open na rin yung second floor nila. So eto na nga, we're going to dunk that crispy chicken tender sa isang tub ng kanilang signature sauce. That is so satisfying. This is mayo-based na very savory. At talaga namang hindi ka mabibitin sa sauce. At hindi mo na lang ito mapapanood. Ngayon, pwede mo na rin orderin. Of course, we're also going to pair it with their side dishes. Very classic for me ay yung chicken with kimchi. Or pwede rin naman dito sa mashed potato na paliliguan natin ng mas marami pang sauce. Comfort meal talaga yan. Itag nyo sa comment section yung mga kilala nyong mahilig sa chicken. Of course, we cannot forget their sesame toast, yung very crisp on the outside. We're going to make a mini sandwich out of it. Gagamitan natin ng spicy cheese sauce at kimchi on top. This combo really hits. Ang sarap ng bagong spicy cheese sauce nila. Tapos, i-dunk natin ulit doon sa tub because why not? Pero kung talaga maghahanap ka ng kanin, you can also order this with either plain rice or kimchi rice. Ito naman yung parang chicken nuggets nila that I'm trying with their ranch dipping sauce. In fairness dito sa ranch, it's herby and fresh. Okay na okay siyang pantanggal umay. By the way, meron din pala sila nung cheese sauce na hindi spicy. Ito naman yung animal style fries that has seasoned fries at the bottom, tapos yung chopped chicken tenders on top na maraming spices and signature sauce. I mean girl, classic combo. Ano pa ba naman ang hahanapin mo dyan, diba? Although kung hindi mo naman type yung fully loaded, you can also order yung seasoned fries lang. And lastly, sa mga drinks, eto yung mga option mo. Meron silang milkshake. We tried both the chocolate and vanilla. Between the two, eto yung mas prefer ko. And then since my first visit sa kanila, gusto ko na talaga yung Thai tea kasi gamit nila talaga yung brand na nabibili sa Thailand. Apart from these, I also like their lemonade at saka yung parang milky strawberry na drink. O ikaw, nakapag hot chicks ka na rin ba?